Hello parents from regular lessons, thanks so much for your support, and this is one of the next things that we will give it to you for free. Okay, so our new books are here and I'm going to show you what's inside. Okay, so each P6 and P5 or P5 child will get one set. Yeah, so I'm going to unwrap. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is we'll order for you, order on your behalf, again at no cost, and it will be sent to your house. Okay, it will be sent to your house. So there's no need for you to collect. Okay, so in this envelope or wrapper, okay, whatever you call that, is actually two sets. Yeah. Again, for each child you only get one set. Okay, so let me just cut open. Okay, so you can see, and I'm gonna cut it open. Okay, let me see what's the best way, because they actually make sure that it's very tightly wrapped such that it protects the book. Okay, or books. Yeah, it protects the books. Okay, so what you can see here is actually one set. Yeah, one set of 101 direct questions, PSLE Guide Volume 7 and 8 at the back. Okay, so the reason why we are giving you this free of charge is because right now our children have not gone back to school for a long time. Yeah, but at the same time, whatever that they should learn now will also be tested in the future and in the near future. Yeah, so we want to make sure that your child is able to get these two books and then to study them, as well as we want to support you all the way to the end of this year while your child is having lessons with us. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what's inside. Okay, so it's shrink wrap, so it's easier for us to send to you. Okay, so take out this wrapper, and each book is about, you can just smell the smell of a new book. Yeah, so for this volume 7, can you come closer? Yeah, so it's P5 CA1 all the way to SA1. SA1. Okay, and this book itself consists of probably more than 50 questions and covering what is essential, yeah, for the first semester of P5, and you can see that it's around 264 pages. Okay, so this is for P5, and at the same time, this one is also about 260 pages, and this is volume 8. So we have P6 CA1 as well as P6 SA1. Okay, yeah, so we want to support you while you are having lessons with us all the way from now until PSLE, and for P5 all the way until end of this year, and we will support you all the way until PSLE while you have lessons with us. Okay, so the reason why we are giving you two books is because even though this is P5 SA1 and CA1, for P6s you will still be tested this in the prelim and PSLE, so use them wisely. And for children who have gotten this book, you can actually use this all the way till next year PSLE, and this message is for P5. Okay, so study them together if you want. Alright, so we'll mail this out to you, and in the meantime, stay safe and take care.